Hey everyone, Alex here. I'm with Carter Products today, and I've got two set of their guides that I get a lot of questions on. One is the standard conversion kit, and the other is the micro adjust. Now, the standard, the way that it works is you just need a number 4 Allen screw. You loosen up those guides, and as you can see, just by loosening them, you can move them side to side. They work off of what's known as a barrel adjustment. So basically that barrel just slides right into place, and you set it and lock it. Now, these have worked perfect for years, but Carter got asked if they could make some micro adjust guides. Now the micro adjust guides, they come with the Allen wrench just like the standard does, but they also come with what we call thumb screws, to where you just simply loosen them and then adjust those bearings side to side by turning the knurled knob. Same thing on the back. You just turn that forward or back. Just makes it a little bit more precise to be able to dial that in. The reason that they include both, the Allen screws, again, are very easy to tighten and loosen, but some folks find that the small tabs on these are a little tough to tighten and loosen, especially when you reach my age. It makes it a lot tougher to tighten that up, but you can also use just a simple slot in the end of a piece of wood to tighten them if you need to, but it definitely makes it a little bit quicker and easier to adjust if you put the thumb screws in there versus the Allen screws. But if you're trying to consider, either way you go, you're going to get Carter Precision. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.